Almost there. Almost there. Oh. Uh-oh. Ah, shoot.
Any last words?
What the hell is that?
Huh? Ah! Hey, wait a second.
Any last words?
Yeah, I have a few words. How did you survive that? My hammer slammed all the way down. It should have killed you.
Oh, do you not know how the gravity hammer works? It's based off line of sight.
No. You're lying. You gotta be lying.
No. Watch this.
What? Why didn't...
Because, genius, I wasn't looking at you. For some reason, the hammer doesn't work if you look away from your target.
What?
Look, it's very simple. You try.
Oh.
Pretty dumb, right?
Not as dumb as you.
Oh crap.
Kabooey!